What is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command. It ends with a period. For example, brush your teeth. Clean the floor. Jack, stand up. More examples. Always obey your parents. Turn to the right. Get up, Larry. Bring me the book. Pick it up. Lock the door. Sweep the floor. Close the door gently. Finish your work. Do your homework.